Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing great. If you are new, you are welcome to my channel, and if you are old subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. If you are not here, subscribe. Just hit that subscribe down below, turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. So let's get started and braid this hair together. I will be using Marley Afro synthetic hair. This is 18 inches. Then I will start by back side. I've already moisturized my hair with coconut oil and Jamaica black castle oil. So I will section the back side, clip the front so that it will not add together. Then I will be using two pieces, like two of it. Then for grabbing my natural hair will be one side, then the Marley hair will be two sides like that. Then after using to braid it, I will add my natural hair to Marley hair and twist it down. So if you are a beginner, you don't know how to twist, I will suggest this Marley hair will be good idea for you because of it's not like rubber, undermine is stretching, so it's not like expression that you have to twist. If you don't twist, it will just pronounce. This one just be folding it is going to like twist herself. So I will repeat the process using two of each Marley hair. Grab my hair one side, then Marley hair will be the other side. At the end, I know is enough for braid, then I will add it together. If you want to achieve this style, it's advisable you just get 2-pack, because this one was a 3-pack. Three pack. My own was 2-pack. It was really difficult for me. I was struggle if that 2-pack is going to be enough. If it's not going to be enough, it's just better you just get 2-pack. I got my own from AliExpress, so you can, if you want to get, you can get 3-pack. So at the end, for the braid was not enough, I was darting. Then I have to start for the front side, like braiding it around, leave the middle side of it. You know, the beauty of the hair start from the front, the side. Undermine the middle part we still neat, but we have to cut the middle part little big than the front and the back side. Let's go. Moving to the front, after parting it, then I will just apply a little bit of gel, then braid it.
Make we celebrate, oh. Make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, and make you move, make you dance, and make you move. Ibadie lulu, ganga, oh. Ibadie lulu, jeje. Ibadie lulu, ganga, oh. Ibadie lulu, jeje. Hey, yeah. Na 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 na, yeah. His body.
Get it to the middle. The Marley hair was not enough. Then I have to be using one. Where I supposed to use 2, I will be using 1 because of the middle is a little big than the rest. So I can use 1 like that. That's why I said if you want to achieve this style, it's better to get 3-pack than 2-pack. After braiding it, then I will just do my makeup, add the hair accessory, then come back again.
So I go give you daughter, she go call you mommy, and she go call me daddy, and we go call her baby, oh. Alright, tell her so, hey. Show my bami love, let me be your man tonight.
So here is the final look of the hair. I will just pack the hair up, use rubber band to tie it upside, and then play with the hair, use scissors to trim the one I don't need for the down. So that is the look. Then the second one, I will just pack it. If you don't want it this style, I will just pack it like a ponytail, up ponytail, then use bobby pin to secure the hair. So if you like this hair, guys, don't forget to subscribe. It's free to subscribe. Just hit that subscribe, so anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you so much for watching, and have a blessed weekend, and stay safe for this period. Love you guys. Bye.
Baby, I'll give you love and affection. I'll give you love and protection. Money, kofa bale kojo. Say I want you to be mine. Money, kofa bale kojo. Say I want you to be mine. It's your happy day.